Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, death cross occurs when the shorter-term moving average crosses below the longer-term moving average. Concept of a death cross may sound ominous. Bitcoin's price has actually dropped shortly after the golden cross formation. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors are no strangers to the volatile nature of the market. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has experienced numerous ups and downs throughout its history. One of the intriguing aspects of analyzing Bitcoin's price movements is the concept of a death cross. What is a death cross? To understand the significance of a death cross, we first need to grasp the basics of moving averages in trading analysis. In essence, a moving average is a statistical calculation used to analyze data points within a specified time frame continually. In the world of cryptocurrencies, traders often use two types of moving averages: the shorter-term moving average, e.g. 50-day, and the longer-term moving average, e.g. 200-day. A death cross occurs when the shorter-term moving average crosses below the longer-term moving average. In the context of Bitcoin, this means that the 50-day moving average falls below the 200-day moving average. It is essential to note that this is a lagging indicator, meaning it reflects past price data and trends. Historical patterns. The concept of a death cross may sound ominous, but its historical patterns reveal a fascinating story. Let's take a look at some historical instances to gain a better understanding. Golden cross preceding a drop. Contrary to what the name suggests, a golden cross, which is the reverse of a death cross, shorter-term moving average crossing above the longer-term moving average, doesn't always result in an immediate price surge. In some cases, Bitcoin's price has actually dropped shortly after the golden cross formation. For instance, in early 2023, Bitcoin experienced a golden cross, but its price dropped by approximately 8% shortly after. Death cross leading to short-term surges. Similarly, the appearance of a death cross does not always lead to an immediate price decline. In the historical example of 2019, Bitcoin witnessed a death cross, but surprisingly, the price surged by over 16% on the day of the death cross itself. This short-term uptrend, however, didn't signify a bullish reversal, as Bitcoin eventually continued on a downward trajectory, establishing new lows in the weeks that followed. Repeating patterns. What becomes evident when examining these historical patterns is that the market often exhibits reversals in the short term when a cross occurs. Bitcoin seems to defy the implications of these crosses by moving in the opposite direction. However, when observing these events over a more extended time frame, typically 3 to 4 weeks, the overall trend tends to align with the cross's initial indication. Potential future implications. Now that we've dissected historical patterns, the burning question is, what might the future hold for Bitcoin in the context of the impending death cross? Short-term volatility. As history has shown, a death cross can lead to short-term price surges before a potential decline. Therefore, in the immediate aftermath of the cross formation, we might witness heightened volatility in Bitcoin's price. Traders and investors should brace themselves for these fluctuations. Lower highs and trend continuation. Based on historical precedents, it's plausible to anticipate a scenario where Bitcoin experiences lower highs after the death cross. This would mean that each successive peak in price is lower than the previous one, signifying a potential trend continuation of a bearish nature. The importance of key support levels. An essential aspect to monitor during this period is key support levels. In 2019, Bitcoin's price managed to stay above a crucial support level after the death cross, causing a short-term price increase. However, this increase was followed by a significant drop. Therefore, Identifying and tracking these support levels will be critical for traders. Thank you for joining us today on this insightful journey into the world of Bitcoin and the death cross. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates, and ring that notification bell